I went on your Instagram page and I saw some of your videos on there, which were quite funny,
Oh,
intriguing,
yeah. I like to do funny ones, yeah.
but actually very engaging as well.
You know. Yes, we do like to do some nice, just to keep people occupied. It's not a serious. I don't take it too seriously, you know, and
Yeah.
that's why. Because you see, a lot of people when they come to the dentist, you know,
Hmm.
are quite frightened actually. So we have a barrier we have to break
Right.
with our patients, and
Yeah.
you know, and that's another thing. You know, if you don't smile at somebody who walks into the door, and unfortunately, when we were wearing PPE, I found it really frustrating for that reason because
Right.
smile is a big thing. Communicating with somebody, especially when they're already really nervous to start with, you know,
Mm,
and if they can't see your face and
mm,
how you are responding to them, it makes them more anxious.
that's
So
true.
that makes our job even harder, actually. Really hard as a dentist. You know, it's really, really difficult because you get that tension passed on to you.
Oh,
Um, yeah,
okay.
no, it is. I mean, dentistry is quite a stressful job. And that is part of the reason because, you know, a lot of people don't actually want to be there.
Mm,
A lot
mm.
of negativity right before they've even walked into the surgery.
Exactly, exactly.